Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I want to try to make a side that I ran across, a side item, a side dish. It uses this type of hash browns. It's the square cut ones without peppers. It is Taco Bell cheesy Fiesta potatoes. So it's supposed to be a copycat. You need to set them out and let them thaw before using them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of oil, a couple tablespoons. Let me get a spoon, a big spoon for this. Stir this up. Alright, so I'm going to make sure that the potatoes are coated the best I can. And you need to preheat your oven to 425 before you start. I've already done that. And I've already got my pan prepared. A full line baking dish would be perfect. Now, you're going to take a small bowl and you're going to combine a tablespoon of cornstarch, a tablespoon of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of taco seasoning, and any salt and pepper that you want to use. And then we're going to coat this. I'm just gonna kind of just barely do this so we have enough for all of it. I ended up using a whole taco seasoning packet because 1 tablespoon was not going to be enough. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of it in here. And then we're just going to go ahead and stir these up. All right. So, when you put these on your baking sheet, you don't need to overcrowd them. And I'm gonna, let me spray this.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago. Hey.
And we're gonna have cheeseburgers tonight, so I thought this would be a good side. It was gonna end up being fries anyway, so be a nice change. Okay, so you need to bake these for at least 20 minutes. And then you're going to stir them up, flip them over, whatever you have to do, and then do it for an additional 20. And it just depends until they're golden and crispy. Okay? So I'll see you back here in about 40 minutes. So this is the finished product. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on it because I tasted it and it needed some more salt. I had some salt added, and I thought it'd be enough, but it wasn't. Alright, so this is what it looked like when it came out. It's real easy to turn over. It didn't stick or anything like that. So make sure you spray your pan first before you put it on. And that's what it looks like when it came out of the oven. I'm going to plate it up with our burgers and then let you see it all done up, because you're supposed to add some nacho cheese. Let me show you. This right here is usually in the international foods aisle of your grocery store, usually. But you're supposed to put this on there. You're supposed to warm it up and put it on your potatoes, and then add a little bit of sour cream on top, and maybe some chopped green onions if you have that. So I'm gonna get this warmed up, and I'm gonna get everything plated up so you can see what it looks like assembled. Okay, y'all, so this is it assembled. I'm not that great with the whole sour cream thing. I put a little bit too much on there. And if you've got some chives or some chopped green onions, those would work too. Those would be real good on it too. that's it. It's just real simple and budget friendly, and it gives you a new twist on a side item that's rather plain, like potatoes. So this would work. This would give you another idea to use potatoes in your weekly rotation. That way they won't be getting so bland and yuck, because people get tired of potatoes. But they do taste spicy, and the cheese and sour cream also help. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.